Testing an old Sony FCB-EX45CP PTZ with a camera tester is a bit like babysitting a spoiled child. You think you're in charge, but the camera decides what happens. Step 1. Power it up. Simple, until you realize the connector looks like it was designed by someone who hated technicians. You're standing there, twisting wires, praying the tester doesn't smoke. Finally, the camera comes alive, spins around like it's saying, "Behold, I still work, maybe." Then comes the joystick test. You push left, the camera goes right. You push right, it stares at the ceiling. At this point, you're not testing PTZ, you're playing a minigame called Guess Where It Goes. Zoom test? Oh, that's fun. You zoom in slowly, carefully, like a professional, and suddenly the lens jumps in so far you can count the client's nose hairs from across the parking lot. And when you try to zoom out, it gets stuck halfway, like it's shy. Of course, the camera tester screen doesn't make this easier. On a good day, the picture looks like standard definition news from 1999. On a bad day, you're watching yourself in 8-bit Minecraft quality, wondering if that's a human or a tree. And let's not forget the autofocus. This thing has 2 speeds, eternal blur or instant close-up of something completely random. You wave your hand in front of it, and the camera decides the real subject is the wall in the background. Thanks, genius. Now, when the client walks by and asks, "So does it work?" you smile and say, "Yes, look at that smooth pan. Ignore the part where it just spun 360 degrees on its own." That's advanced surveillance mode. At the end of the test, you pack it up, and the camera tester battery is dead, because apparently running one analog PTZ drains it faster than Netflix on 5G. So yeah, testing the FCB-EX45CP isn't really testing. It's surviving. You don't leave with results, you leave with respect for anyone still using this relic. And the real test isn't the PTZ function, it's your patience.